This video will demonstrate the use of special tool Gear Holder. This special tool is used to lock the input and counter shaft of transmission while loosening or tightening the counter shaft nut. Use of this tool avoids rotation of shafts and helps to apply required torque to loosen or tighten the nut. Using Gear Holder. Remove the transmission side cover by using the special tool Oil Pan Seal Cutter. Remove all the necessary components to gain access to countershaft nut and fifth gear as shown. Install the special tool to lock the input and counter shafts as shown. Loosen and remove the counter shaft nut by using appropriate tools. Similarly, the nut can also be tightened by using the special tool. Advantages and benefits. This tool helps to lock the transmission shafts for quick and easy removal or installation of countershaft nut. This saves time and avoids damage to the gear's teeth, which can happen by use of a screwdriver to lock it. This tool also helps to tighten the nut at specified torque, which ensures the trouble-free operation of transmission.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.